Don't let you see me. Put the nails up, nails up, nails up.
Say what? Hey, 24/7 I'm putting in work. Can't bring a gun or no stain on my shirt. You know the land is for champions birth, so I hold the title till I land in the dirt. Motorcycles, all the rifles and perk. Overnight they think I triple my worth. I gotta stay ready, these haters will lurk, but they say what you want, now I'm feeling like dirt. You say what you want, sing that shit to him like Gerald Levert. Couldn't sleep on me with ambient first. I let that kidnap like an Amber Alert. I wake up shit, you know I had to get turned. Bottle of Jameson matching my shirt. Back on the road, gotta pack up the merch. And I smoked so much tree that I damaged the earth. EST rushing, don't make me get on my young shit. Don't get me talking that gun shit. Don't make me turn this whole thing to a function. Bitch, don't make assumptions. Up in the sea, I ain't talking about Compton. Up in the 6, I ain't talking Toronto. Bitch, I'm from Cleveland, you know the motto. One of the city's lucky Luciano, the gunner.
Fuck it, fuck it, fuck it.
Say what, say what, say what?
Fuck it, fuck it, fuck it.
Say what, say what? Fuck it, fuck it.
Y'all know what the fuck is up?
I'ma throw that, blow that, dick get a throw that. Wake up in the morning, 100 trench roll ass. Rich motherfucker with no class. Bitch up on the ledge, you don't wanna go there. Bitch you talking grand, let me smoke a O's, yeah. Hot box whip, I don't need the O's, yeah. I ain't had my shit, I'm a fucking grown man. If the cops come, then oh well. Say what? I'm still smoking my blue Cantrell.
Say what?
Yeah, I might fuck around and blow a shit. That boy, my lungs like, oh shit. I'm trying to get a motherfucker through. Went straight to the lead for the public school. Shit, y'all know it's no struggle, no progress. Shit, so I told the bitch work, no jobless. Church, I'm a motherfucking asshole. Tattooed to the sand dog. Fuck a bitch, rock scandal. Run a little wax, no candle. I'm buying Cuban by the pack, no Castro. They know I never tried to hide like camo. We in the motherfucker feel like Rambo. And you know I was feeling rich for a Lambo. They try to motherfucker straight to a bando. 24/7 get rock. I grew up around them hot boys. Lil Kurt, hey what? I'm 25, gotta get drunk. I'm a young rock star like Lil Kurt. Hey, 20 at the phone, get drunk. Every day's Friday, no big one. Hey, 30 more days to the first and the hood gets paid. You better learn. Yeah, I've been around like a marathon. Swear a year ago, told myself the pistol they ain't had it like a year ago. I ain't tryna hear no compare no. It ain't really hard to tell this nigga still telling no. They ain't ring like a telephone bell ball. I don't play EST, I'm a soldier. All we do is smoke those still make them say Master my beat, I cut the head off the coat, I'm a tip-top shake, yeah. If I want it, I can get you taste up. Play the cut, how the cut should be played, yeah. Everything about me going way up. I should make a watch you talk a lie, why you talk a lie? Gotta keep it pimpin', so I take the pimpin' back to the poker line. I'm a G with it on me, with it on. Talk money, you know we get it on. Hella bad, yeah, you hella mad, do it hella bad. I'm seeing that. I mean, hella cut, yeah, hella cut, yeah, hella fat. But a pocket, yeah. Bitch, don't get it twisted, I've been popping on the low. I'm on the ground with it, nigga, you ain't got a clue. I been having juice like you on the roof. You can think I'm bishop if you ever want the truth. Y'all nigga got dirty.
Say what? I'ma throw that.
What we tell 'em, what we tell 'em, what we tell 'em, what we tell 'em.
Okay, I'ma throw that. Blow that. Dick in the throw that. Wake up in the morning, 100 joints, roll that. Cause a prince, motherfucker, rich, motherfucker.